I'm sure all of us have had an egg or been on an Easter egg hunt, but many of us have taken for granted the many different uses we as humans have for eggs. An egg is an egg yolk surrounded by an egg white surrounded by an eggshell. Such a simple thing, yet it has so many uses. The top 5 egg-producing states are Iowa, Ohio, Pennsylvania, California, and Indiana. According to Wikipedia, eggs have been a major food source since prehistory in many hunting societies and also many different cultures. For example, in Egypt, eggs are used as offerings to royalty. Eggs were considered a delicacy, and giving them to members of royalty was considered appropriate gift or present. In Rome, eggshells were crushed to prevent evil spirits from hiding there. Also, in the Middle Ages, eggs were forbidden during Lent because of their richness. In Lent, you're not allowed to have certain foods, and eggs were really high in many nutrients. In the 19th century, the dried egg industry developed, which was the transformation of egg white and egg yolk into a light brown substance using the drying process. The dried egg industry expanded greatly during World War II and many other wars because they were used by the military and many Allied forces as a food source. Eventually, after that, the egg carton was invented. There was a dispute between a farmer and a hotel owner because the farmer kept delivering broken eggs to the hotel owner, and he kept getting really angry with him, and so the farmer decided to invent some kind of packaging to keep the eggs from being so broken. According to the Academy of Sciences, eggs is a huge food source to humans and animals. As humans, we eat boiled eggs, fried eggs, scrambled eggs, and animals, eggs are a food source in many animals' foods. Also, eggs are used in baking, like, for example, brownies, cookies, cakes. You always need at least one egg to cook it. Eggs are also used in Easter egg hunts. Children decorate hard-boiled eggs and the parents hide them. Eggs are also thrown in protests or used in pranks because they are inexpensive, non-lethal, yet very messy to clean up. Here's a little demonstration of how messy an egg is. Takes a lot of work to get an egg cleaned up. According to the American Egg Board, eggs are used in vaccines to prevent disease. The vaccine eggs are used most in is the influenza, also known as the flu shot. That is also why you are asked if you're allergic to eggs before you get the flu shot. Eggs are prominent in mouthwash to prevent infection and tooth decay. The proteins in the eggshell are also present in many shampoos and conditioners. Eggs are an ingredient in many skin and facial creams because they help to moisturize your skin. According to hubpages.com, the shell membrane protein in the eggshell will help us grow human skin fibroblasts, which are also known as connective tissue cells. Also, according to bnet.com, eggs are also used in DNA testing to help further human development of new procedures. So, as you can see, eggs are an important ingredient in all of our lives, and many of us don't realize all of their uses. So next time you crack an egg open, appreciate it for what it's worth. That concludes my speech. Thank you.
Thank you.